Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have this LG Smart TV and of course this is a LG UHD ThinQ AI based TV. So of course this will apply to any LG TV that you may have. And as you can see here guys, this TV, this is a recreation of the issue itself where you have the black screen issue. These tips can be used to fix the black screen issue, so go ahead and try them as I'm outlining here. So let me first describe the issue of the black screen. All right, so this is just a recreation. So basically when you have a black screen issue, the screen will remain black. If you power on the TV, you'll be getting nothing at all from the display to remain black. In some cases, or a lot of cases, you'll hear the sound from the TV. However, that's it. You'll have nothing on the display. Now, of course, do not worry. This is a common issue that takes place with laptops. It can happen to phones. And of course, I'm going to show you what we do in those cases to fix the problem. So what's happening most of the time is that there's a buildup of static electricity within the device, and that static electricity needs to be drained. The easiest way to do that is to first of all, go ahead and unplug your TV. All right, so I've unplugged the TV set from the power outlet. So of course, next you're gonna locate the power button on your device. Now in most devices, the power button is on the TV. It's also on the remote in red. You cannot use the one on the on the remote. You'll have to use the one that's physically located on the TV itself. So here's what I recommend. Usually it's to the base of the TV, usually towards the logo, or it can be to the right or to the left. On some rare occasions, they do put it at the back. But of course, these TVs are designed to be wall mounted. So just in case, they tend to place it down here. So most people do say that, hey, I don't have a power button. That is incorrect. There is a power button. The thing is that you have just never located it. So it's actually on the TV. For my particular TV, it's right here. So it's just beneath here. You can actually look and you'll find the button itself. It should have a power logo on it. So go ahead and find the power button as I'm showing you here. You should be able to feel it, and because it's right there and it's recessed, so you should be able to feel it and see the logo. All right. So what you're gonna do while the TV is plugged out is go ahead and press and hold this button, and you're gonna press for 60 seconds. You can count from 1 to 60 at a slow pace. 1, 2, 3. You get the idea. So once you have done this for 60 seconds, go ahead and let go. You're gonna get the plug. You're gonna plug this back into the outlet, and then of course you're gonna try to power on the TV. So let's go ahead and plug this back in. All right. So once you plug it back in, go ahead, guys, and press the power button. The TV should power up, and the TV should run through its spaces, and it should turn back on. As you can see, this one is back on. All right, so once you have done all of that, guys, the problem should be fixed in most cases. All right, guys, in some cases, the problem is very stubborn and one try will not fix the issue. So what I recommend is, if it fails the first time, try it a second time and a third time, just as shown in the first procedure. All right, that should fix the issue for most people. However, if yours is more complicated and it's still not being fixed, the next tip I can give, guys, is to go ahead and you're gonna do what I'm gonna show you now, and that is to go ahead and unplug the TV. So make sure it's off. You're gonna unplug the TV again. All right, so once you unplug the TV, what I suggest that you do is that you leave the TV unplugged. All right, so you're gonna leave it unplugged overnight. So for an entire night, you can do this when you're going to bed. You're gonna leave the TV unplugged. The longer the better. So if you can get a whole 24 hours, that would be good. You're just gonna leave the TV in that off state. You can also combine it by pressing the button again for 60 seconds and leave it plugged out for overnight or 24 hours. Once you come back again, you're just gonna go ahead and plug the TV back in. Once you plug the TV back in, guys, go ahead and try powering it up, and in most cases it should power up. All right, so that's how we deal with a black screen issue for LG TVs. Applies to any LG TV, can also apply to other brands as well. So this is how we fix the problem of the black screen issue. I do hope you enjoyed, do hope your issue is fixed. And as always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.